Welcome back to Luxmotive Auto, where the adventure begins before the road even starts. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, rugged, and surprisingly luxurious, the upcoming 2026 Dacia Dokker 4x4 luxury camper van. Yes, you heard it right. Dacia is stepping up in a massive way, combining affordability with features you'd expect from brands double the price. So buckle up, because this might just be the most underrated camper van of the year. At first glance, the 2026 Dacia Dokker 4x4 carries that familiar utility-focused Dacia design, but now it's evolved. The rugged stance is unmistakable. With aggressive wheel arches, raised ground clearance, and a bold front grille, it's clear this van means business. You can tell right away, this isn't your average family van. This is built for the wild, for dirt tracks, for high altitudes and weekend escapes. And yes, it's 4x4. Finally, the Dokker gets real off-road capability. Dacia has integrated an intelligent all-wheel drive system that adapts to mud, snow, sand, and rocky trails. You're getting traction, stability, and confidence, whether you're on a mountain pass or a remote beach. It's a game changer for vanlifers who don't want to be limited by paved roads. Let's step inside. Now this is where Dacia has really shocked everyone. The interior of the new Dokker 4x4 has been completely reimagined for luxury campers. Soft touch materials, ambient LED lighting, wood-style finishes, and high-end insulation make the cabin feel more like a boutique apartment on wheels. The seating is all about comfort. Ergonomically designed captain chairs up front, full 360-degree swivel functionality, with memory foam cushioning wrapped in eco-leather. And the upholstery, water-resistant but soft to the touch, perfect for the outdoorsy lifestyle. The camper conversion is brilliant and compact. Dacia has clearly studied what people love about van life, and then packed all of it in a smart modular setup. There's a foldable bed that extends in seconds, a full kitchenette with a dual-burner gas stove, a 45-liter compressor fridge, and a hidden sink with a collapsible faucet. Water tanks are integrated below the floor, giving you up to 80 liters of fresh water capacity. Overhead cabinets and under-bed storage give you enough room to carry all your gear, cooking supplies, and weekend essentials without feeling cramped. Plus, the rear of the van opens up to a smart slide-out storage tray for bikes, grills, or portable power stations. It's a compact van that thinks big. Speaking of power, the Dokker comes with a standard solar roof panel delivering around 300 W, connected to a lithium battery setup, giving you true off-grid capabilities. You can charge your devices, power your lights, run the fridge, even plug in your drone or camera gear. Dacia has also included USB-C and 12V ports all around the cabin, so you're always powered up and ready to capture the adventure. Tech-wise, it's no slouch either. You're getting a 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrated GPS with topographic maps, and a multi-angle reverse camera. It's got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, hill descent control, and emergency braking. Safety and connectivity, both ticked. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Dokker 4x4 is powered by a 1.5L turbo diesel engine, tried and tested, paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission. It produces around 130 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, more than enough for a vehicle this size. But what's most impressive is the fuel efficiency. You're looking at nearly 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is incredible for a 4x4 camper. Combine that with a 70-liter fuel tank, and you've got serious range, perfect for those long, scenic journeys. Dacia's engineers have also reinforced the undercarriage, added skid plates, upgraded the suspension with off-road tuning, and equipped the van with all-terrain tires straight from the factory. Translation: you won't be needing upgrades on day one, this thing is ready to roll. The sleeping setup comfortably fits 2 adults, and with the pop-top roof option, you can actually sleep up to 4 people. And yes, the pop-top comes with mosquito netting, insulated canvas, and a panoramic skylight for stargazing nights. Imagine lying under the stars, high in the mountains, with the comforts of a luxury hotel inside your van. That's the Dokker 4x4 life. For those wondering about bathroom facilities, Dacia offers an optional rear-mounted shower tent kit and a slide-out dry flush toilet. It's compact, It's clean, and it gives you independence without sacrificing comfort. And if you opt for the full off-grid package, you'll also get a diesel heater and a roof-mounted fan for full climate control, no matter where you are. One of the best parts. The price. Dacia has always been about giving more for less, and even with all these features, the expected starting price is around €32,000 in Europe, or roughly $34,000 in the US market if it lands stateside. For a fully equipped, adventure-ready 4x4 camper van, that's nearly half the price of what most competitors are asking. It's value with a capital V. Let's not forget, this van isn't just about functionality. It has character. The boxy yet confident design, the go-anywhere attitude, and that signature Dacia simplicity make it something you'll love owning and showing off. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time digital nomad, the 2026 Dokker 4x4 luxury camper van offers a rare balance of affordability, capability, and modern comfort. And let's be real, in a market where camper vans are either too expensive or too basic, this one hits the sweet spot. It's the underdog that could redefine the entry-level adventure van segment, and we're here for it. If you're excited about hitting the road, exploring the wild, or just upgrading your weekend escape game, this is a van to watch closely. We'll be keeping tabs on its official launch, release dates, and any additional upgrades Dacia might offer. So, would you take the Dokker 4x4 over something like a VW Caddy California or Ford Transit Trail? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more reviews like this, real, raw, and road trip ready, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and keep exploring with Luxmotive Auto.